Right, welcome back. February 2017, Mr. Simons here. Now this is just the second sinking fund problem from February 2017. This is just I'm doing it more than once to make sure you get used to it. So on the second day of January 2015, a company bought a new printer for 150,000. Take note, 1st of January is generally a public holiday, New Year's, so therefore we're talking of 2nd January. Right, the value of the printer decreases by 20% annually on a reducing balance method. So sometime in the future, this every year would decrease by 20% using reducing balance method. Right, when the book value of the printer is 49,152, the company will replace the printer. So this printer I bought for 150,000 will be a new printer would be bought when this old printer is worth 49,152. Right, so 6.1.1. Calculate the book value of the printer on the second day of January 2017. So I'm going from 2015 to 2017, 2-year period. Alright, it's 150,000. The interest is 20 over 100, reducing balance method. Right, so A equal to 150,000, 20 over 100, 0,2, 1 minus 0,2, 0,8 squared, times 150,000 gives me 96,000. So after 2 years, my current printer would only be worth 96,000. 1 mark for N, 1 mark for 150,000 in the correct formula, and 1 mark for my answer. Right, now question number 2. At the beginning of which year will the company have to replace the printer? Show all calculations. So as I said, we like to ask N. Alright, so we're going to replace the printer when it's worth 49,152, but we're buying it for 150,000. Remember, the rate of depreciation is still 20%. Alright, so 150 will minus 1 minus 0,2, remember 20 over 100, 0,2 to the power n equal 49,152. Alright, if I say 49,152 divided by the 150,000, your calculator would simplify it to 1,024 divided by 3,125. 1 minus 0,2, 0,8 to the power n. Now introduce log to both sides, so I have log 0,8. N can then be transposed to the front of log, equal log 1,024 divided by 3,125. Right? Now, N equal this log divided by that log, N equal to 5. So therefore, my machine will need to be replaced at the beginning of 2020, 5 years later. So 5 years later, second day of January 2020. Right, now we come to a very long question. 6.1.3. You ready? Hey, you know, when they give me so many things, I know what goes through your head. I must read and all this. Right, the key is we just take out all the important stuff. The cost of a similar printer will be 280,000. So number 1, currently I bought a printer for 150,000. Right, but in 2020 a new printer would cost me 280,000. Alright, company will use the 49,000 to receive to cover the cost of replacing. So we're gonna get 49,152, so 280 minus that must give me my sinking fund. Right, the company sets up a sinking fund to cover the balance. The fund pays interest at 8.5% per annum, compounded quarterly. So it's going to be 8.5 divided by 100, 0.085, compounded quarterly divided by 4. Remember, we're talking 5 years, so then it's going to be 5 times 4, which is 20. Right, that's the general consensus. Right, but let's read further. Let's not assume things. No? The first deposit was made on 2nd April 2018. Right, so 2nd January to 2nd April. Right, how many months are we talking? January, February, March. Right, or I can say February, March, April if I work with a second. So it's 3 months which is a quarter, so I'm paying every quarter. And every 3 months thereafter, so I assume a quarter of a year is 3 months. Till the second, calculate the amount that should be deposited every 3 months to have enough money to replace the printer on 2nd January 2020. Alright, so we look at the problem. Number 1, as I said, 280,000 minus my trade-in value would give me a sinking fund of 230,848. So I have to cater for that. So my future value is that X. Interest, they said 8.5% per annum compounded quarterly, so 0.085 divided by 4. So over a period of 5 years from 2015 to 2020, so 5 times 4 gives me 20 minus 1 interest, right? So what happens? 230 times this divided by all that on top. So I'm going to cross multiply. I'm divide by whatever answer I have there, and I get 9,383 rand 26 cents that must be deposited every month. So there, 1 mark for getting the correct value of your sinking fund, 1 mark for my interest and my time period both being correct, 1 mark for substitution, correct formula. Sometimes we're a bit lenient, even if your values are wrong, we'll at least give you the 1 mark and 1 mark for the answer. Right, so I hope you follow the process. I'm still going to do it a third time because we can also test you this concept graphically. Right, all the best. Continue practicing. Goodbye.